Kung si Calix at Mika nagka-second chance, kami kaya ni Aris, magkaka-second chance din na magkabati?
Hey, miss.
May kailangan po kayo?
Yeah, I'm actually lost. You know where, Eastwood Street is? Kasama ka pa nito.
You go straight, then you turn right, then you go round and round, then after 3 corners, you see the guard. Then you ask the guard, guard, what? What?
Eastwood.
Guard? What? Eastwood Street?
Uh-huh.
Then you know the answer.